Did you know there's a secret superfood that can transform your health in just 1 cup a day? If you're looking to boost your energy, improve your skin, and even lose weight, then you need to start drinking Moringa tea today. Stay tuned for the 15 incredible benefits of Moringa tea that you should know. Let's dive into the 15 benefits of Moringa tea and why you need to make it a daily habit. 1. Boosts energy levels. Moringa tea is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that naturally boost your energy levels. No caffeine crash, just clean, sustained energy all day. 2. Fights inflammation. Moringa's powerful anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling in your joints and muscles. Feel less pain and more mobility with every sip. 3. Supports healthy digestion. Moringa tea helps soothe your digestive system, easing bloating and promoting smooth digestion. Say goodbye to uncomfortable digestion issues. 4. High in antioxidants. Moringa is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your body from cell damage. Fight aging and keep your skin glowing. 5. Balances blood sugar level. Studies have shown that Moringa helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it ideal for those managing diabetes or simply trying to prevent spikes. Control your sugar levels the natural way. 6. Boosts immune system. Moringa is a powerhouse for your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Give your immune system the strength it needs to protect you. 7. Improves skin health. Moringa tea promotes healthy, radiant skin by reducing wrinkles and boosting collagen production. Keep your skin looking youthful and fresh. 8. Supports heart health. Moringa helps lower bad cholesterol and supports healthy circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Take care of your heart with every cup. 9. Aids in weight loss. Moringa tea is known to boost metabolism, promote fat burning, and suppress appetite naturally. Achieve your weight loss goals with ease. 10. Improves brain function. Moringa can boost cognitive function, enhance memory, and improve focus. Stay sharp and focused all day long. 11. Detoxifies the body. Moringa tea helps flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Cleanse your body naturally and feel amazing. 12. Regulates blood pressure. Moringa is great for regulating blood pressure, helping you maintain a healthy heart. Keep your blood pressure in check with a simple, natural remedy. 13. Enhances liver health. Moringa supports liver detoxification and overall function, helping your body filter out harmful substances. Give your liver the care it deserves. 14. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, and more. Fuel your body with the essential nutrients it craves. 15. Promotes healthy hair growth. Moringa helps nourish your scalp, reduce hair thinning, and encourage healthy hair growth. Get thicker, stronger hair by drinking this tea every day. Wow, who knew 1 cup of tea could have so many amazing benefits, right? Whether you want more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, or even weight loss, Moringa tea has got you covered. So here's what I want you to do right now. Try adding Moringa tea to your daily routine and start reaping the benefits today. And while you're at it, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 15 benefits you're most excited about. Or if you're already a Moringa tea fan, tell me how it's changed your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your health naturally. Start your Moringa tea journey today and feel the difference in just a few days. See you in the next video.